dangerous foods you must avoid. Foods have always been healthy and full of energy for us, but some foods which are advertised as best foods are not in reality. You are also unaware of some dangerous foods which are there in your kitchen for a long time and are not good for your health. Bitter almonds. Almonds are always good for our health. Doctors too advise to heart and diabetes patients to eat almonds, but nobody knows that they can also be dangerous foods. There are two types of almonds: sweet almonds and bitter almonds. The bitter one contain hydrogen cyanide. Only 4 or 5 almonds could be very dangerous for children and adults as well. Potatoes with leaves. Glycoalkaloids are found in the leaves, stems and sprouts of the potatoes, which are not overall good for our health and cause various problems. Avoid potatoes with greenish tinge. Eating glycoalkaloids can cause diarrhea, cramping, coma and death as well. Poison in tomatoes. The stems and leaves of the tomatoes contain alkali poison which can cause various stomach problems. It is same for the unripe green tomatoes. It's not very dangerous, but if these tomatoes are consumed in large quantity they can cause serious health problems. Cashew nuts. The raw cashews we find in the stores are not raw. A chemical called urushiol, also found in poison ivy, is removed by steaming them. The people who are allergic to the poison ivy will get allergic problems after eating these raw cashew nuts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.